There's nothing better than waking up to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee. Luckily, your Luxe Brewer makes that possible with the delayed auto start feature. Start by filling the water tank to your desired level. Add coffee grounds to your brew basket. Make sure the carafe is in place. And remember, keep the lid off for single-serve sizes. Next, press the delayed start button. If you haven't already set the clock on your machine, it'll prompt you to do that first. Turn the dial to set your preferred brew start time. Press the dial to confirm. You'll see a red delayed auto start icon appear. This means your brew is scheduled and ready to go. When the time you've set arrives, your Luxe Brewer will automatically start brewing. If you need to cancel before it begins, just press any button. The red icon will disappear. And that's it. Wake up to a freshly brewed cup to start your days.